Good morning, student. In the last video, we have defined the definition of the sets, then the representation of the set. In that, we have seen two methods, that is a roster method and the set builder method. So today, we are starting our exercise 1.1, but before starting, let me recall all the things we have done in the last class. So here, first thing we have seen, that is a definition of the set. A set is a well-defined collection of the object. As you know, it is generally denoted by the capital letters. Set is always closed under the curly bracket, that is this, and symbol, and this, and it is a symbol of the set also. The element of the set are called the member of the set or the element of the set. That we have to see. So that I forgot to explain to you. Here, if I can take set A is equals to set 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3 are called the member of the set A or the element of the set. Now as 1 is belongs to the set A, मतलब कि 1 जो है वो A के अंदर आया हुआ है, ओके, ये A का एलिमेंट है. तो जब भी आपको एलिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट उसके लिए सिंबल यूज करना है तो हम ये यूज करेंगे. This is known as the belongs to. This symbol is used as a belongs to. Okay, so remember here 1 is a member of A और 1 is the element of A. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A. But 4 is not there. So we can write down 4 does not belongs to A. तो जब भी आपके पास ये सिंबल है, इसको बोलेंगे हम, तो ये बोला जाएगा not belongs to. Okay students, so I hope you understood what we have to do. That symbol belongs to, that means when it will belongs to the set. Now next is a roster form. So roster form means we have to write down the element which are separated by the commas. Then set builder form. Set builder form, that means we have to write down the set in the property form. That means here you can see these all are the square of the number. So here the set can be written as here the another example given to you, that is AEIOU, that is a builder form. अगर यही फॉर्म को आपको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखना है तो you can write down here x, where x is equals to n square x, such that x is equals to n square, where n belongs to capital N and n is less than 10. Okay, so here n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and x is equals to n square. So x is equals to n square means 1, 4, 9 and so on up to 81. Okay students, so this is the known as a set builder form, whereas this known as a roster form. Then we have given you the two notation, that is in a roster form the element are listed are immaterial, that means it is not important to write into order, you can write out in any order. Second thing, all the elements are different, that means no element is repeated. So now let us start with the today's class, that is exercise exercise 1.1. Now very easy exercise student, let me see. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. तो यहाँ पे हमें जो लिखा हुआ है, we have to show that this is a set or not. So remember the definition of set students. What is a set? Set is a well-defined collection or set is a collection of well-defined object, right? So here we have to see, is this collection is well-defined? Well-defined means, yes, we are not having an answer more than 1. It should be 1 and only 1. So let me find out. If I denote it by the capital A, then what is our collection say? The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So just find out January, Feb, March, April, May, no one with J, then June. Yes, so here we have first June, then July, then August, September, October, November and December. Okay, here no need to count. We know that the month will be this only. So here anyone can write down the same answer. So this represent set. So yes, this is a set. And justify your answer. You can find out the set, right? For the justification. Now next, the collection of 10 most talented writers of the India. Now here the question, if we write down, then maybe or sure me I can say, maybe the answer of the people, answer of person by person is different, right? If you can ask this question to 10 people, then the answer will be different. So therefore this is not represent this set. Okay, so this collection is not a well defined collection, therefore it will not represent this set. Let me see the next question. Here we have a next is a team of 11 best batsmen of the world. Now here you have to identify 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Then how you will identify? So this will be the same answer or the different? Think, student. Is they having the same answer or the different? If you and your friend both are talking about the best cricket batsman, then it will be same or different? Yes, obviously it will be different because it is the choice of the people. So it will not describe the set. So this is not set. A collection of all the boys in your class. Okay. The collection of all boys in your class. Now as you are going to the 11th science class, just when you are entering the class and then find out the number of the boys. And just write, and then everyone now start the writing the name of the boys. So if you write down the same answer or the different answer, obviously students, your answer will be same. So this will find out only one answer, and that will not be differ person to person. So therefore this collection will give you the set. So this is a yes. Its answer will be yes, it is a set. The collection of all the natural number less than 100. So obviously this set I can write down here less than 100, all the natural number. So 1, 2, 3 up to less than 100, so up to 99. So yes, this is a collection of set. Next question, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Now it will represent the set or not? Okay, find out if you can make the search from other mobiles. Okay, and then find out the name of the novels written by the Munshi Premchand. Will you find out the same or the different? Yes, students, if you want to write down all of the books, then it will be the same. So here the books written by Munshi Premchand, that will be same. So this collection is a well defined, therefore it is a set. Next, the collection of all even integers. Obviously student, yes, because it is defined of the even integer. So all the even number can be there. The collection of question in this chapter. Yes, maybe it is difficult to count, but there are so many questions, and the question in this book will be the same. If we are counting, then this will be denote the set, and this is because this is a well defined collection. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Yes, if this question is asked to many people, then the answer will be, obviously student, it will be different. So this is not a set. So this collection is not well defined, therefore it is not a set. So you have seen the first question, that is how many which of the following is defined a set. So remember student, जब भी आपको सेट के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है, जब आपको पूछा जा रहा है, तो आप स्टेटमेंट ध्यान से देखेंगे. स्टेटमेंट में ध्यान से देख लीजिए क्या कुछ है जो डिफाइन नहीं है वहां पे, या फिर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है कि जिसका आंसर शायद डिफरेंट हो सकता है अगर आप इसको दूसरे किसी को पूछे तो। ओके, इस टाइप के जो स्टेटमेंट है वो सेट को डिफाइन नहीं करते। सेट को कौन डिफाइन करेगा? द क्वेश्चंस विच आर हैविंग अ सेम आंसर। ओके, और वी कैन से इन अ मैथमेटिकल वर्ड which is a collection of the well-defined object. So please just careful with this. So let me see the next question. Okay students, so now the question number 2. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then insert the symbol belongs to or not belongs to in the blank spaces. This symbol is a word Greek letter which use its meaning is epsilon. Okay, epsilon. So this is the word. This symbol is known as epsilon, and here we are using it for the belongs to or not belongs to. Okay, so if you have to insert the symbol belongs to or not belongs to in this bracket. Now how to do this question? So you know that one or two I will do, another you can do by yourself. So let me solve first. If you have any element which are here, then it is a belongs to A. And if here the element which does not belongs, which is not here, that means does not belongs. So first is a 5. So 5 is in A. Yes. So here the symbol will be belongs to. Whereas 8. 8 is a here. No. So 8 does not belongs to. Belongs to के symbol पे एक cross line करना है. So it is does not belongs to. 0 is there. No. So it is does not belongs to. 4 is there. Yes. So it is belongs to. Similarly 2 and 10 you can solve by yourself. And students, this question no need to write in your notebook. You can directly solve in the textbook. Okay. Let me see the next question. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is write the following sets in the roster form. So here the question we are having. So set जो आपको given है वो set builder form में है और उसको आपको roster form में convert करना है. So let me see how to write down. First read the question. What they have given. A is equals to x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than equals to x less than equals to 7. So here x is an integer which lies between minus 3 and 7. Okay, so minus 3 is less than or equals to. So minus 3 will be there. Yes, because equals to sign आया है यहाँ पे, तो minus 3 वहाँ पे होगा. So after minus 3 there is minus 2. Then yes, minus 1. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 7 will be there or not? क्या 7 यहाँ पे लिखे या ना लिखे? When we will write down 7 here, if it is equals to sign given. यहाँ पे आपको equals to नहीं given है, so this is up to 6 only. So you are having a x where x is an integer and it is belongs to, and minus 3 is less than equals to x less than 7. That means our elements are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 will be not there because कि यहाँ पे less than का symbol है. Now second. B, that is a x where x is a natural number less than 6. So I know students you can do this very well. Less than 6 and all the natural number. So we should write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the natural number which are less than 6. Right? So I hope now you understood. कोई भी आपको set given है, अगर वो roster form में है तो आप उसको set builder form में लिख सकते हो. अगर कोई set builder form में है तो आप उसको roster form में convert कर सकते हो. Okay. So here the question are given in a set builder form. We are converting it into the roster form. Okay. Set builder में से roster में convert करें. Let me see the next. Now next question is C. C is equals to X, where X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So now we require 2-digit number whose sum is 8. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ, if 1 is a 1, then second will be 7, because 1 plus 7 8, right? Similarly 2 हो तो हमारे पास क्या होगा, 8 लाना है तो 6, 2 and 6 8, 3 and 5 8, 4 and 4 8. Then if I write down 6, then it will be here. So now how many 2-digit natural number will be there? अगर एक हम लिखा है 17, तो दूसरा क्या होगा 71, right? 17 and 71. Then 26 and 62. Then 35 and 53. Then 44. So this is our set, student. Set C: 17, 71, 26, 62, 35, 53 and 44. Anything else remaining, student? Yes, 1 is remaining because it is a 2-digit number. So I can write down 0 and 8. Okay, so 0, 8 we cannot write because it will become, if I write down 0, 8, then it is a single digit number. So we have to write down 80. So this is the roster form of the set C. Okay, now here the order can be anything. If one write down first 17, 26, 35 and 44, then 71, 62, so on, then no issue with that. The order is immortal in the roster form. So you can write down in any order. Let me see the next question. Here X, where X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So this question I am giving to you. Okay, just to find out the divisor of the 60. Okay, and in that find out the prime number. How many prime number are there which are divisible by 60? Okay, so this question giving to you for solving. You can solve by yourself. Then the set of the letters of the word trigonometry. Here letters, sorry, I have written wrong. Letters. Okay, so here the set of the letters of the word trigonometry. Now students, very easy question. Just try to write down all the element, but don't repeat any element, right? So we can start from T, then R, I, G, O, then N, again O, don't write it, M, E is there, no, E, T is there, yes, so don't write, R, yes, then last one is a Y. So these are the letters of the word trigonometry. This is the set of the letters of the word trigonometry. Remember student, जब भी हम set लिख रहे हैं कोई भी element repeat होना चाहिए नहीं. Okay, all the elements must be different. Okay, so here R is repeated, so not written. T is repeated, so not written. O is repeated, so written only once. Okay, repeated element एक ही बार लिखा जाएगा. Similarly F, so this question also given to you for solving. So I am giving you 2 questions in this exercise. In this question, that is a question number 4 and question number 6 to solve by yourself. So here we are having a question number 1, 2 and 3. So now let me see question number 4. Okay students, so next question I have written, that is a question number 4. Write the following set in the set builder form. So in the last question what we have done, we have a set builder form and we are writing in a roster form. Here the questions are in a roster form, and now we are going to write in a set builder form. So let me denote it by A. So A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12. So I first write down here X such that. Now इसके ऊपर मुझे कुछ प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करना है जो प्रॉपर्टी ये सारे एलिमेंट फॉलो करे. So what are this? Yes students, you have think this 3, 6, 9, 12. So these are multiple of 3, right? So I should write down X where x is equals to 3n, and yes, n is less than equals to, and n is less than or equals to 4. Is it okay? X is equals to 3n. Why I have written 3n? Because these are multiple of 3. And last multiple of 12. Last is 12. That is 3 into 4. तो आपके पास जो n जो होगा, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's why I have written n is less than equals to 4. Right? And one thing is also important. Then where this n belongs? Then n belongs to the set of the natural number. So n belongs to capital N. Okay, students? So understood how to write down the roster form into the set builder form. First, find out the property which is followed by the set. So here x, then x is equals to 3n, n is less than equals to 4. Second, that is here I am just giving it as a notation b. Now, what is our set B? X such that. Now what is this x? Is it a multiple of 2? No. Then this is a, yes, it is a power of 2. Right? So I should write down x is equals to 2 raised to n. Okay, what I am writing? X is equals to 2 raised to n. Now n is belongs to capital N. और n की वैल्यू हम कहाँ तक लेंगे? सो 2 raised to 1 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 raised to 4 16 and 2 raised to 5 32. That means n is less than or equals to 5. Understood, student? Very easy questions. Just you fill which property they are having. So now next question number 3. Here is of the same type. Just find it. What is it? 5, then 25, that is 5 square, 125, that is 5 cube, and 625, that is 5 raised to 4. So here the same. If you denote it by capital C, then what is your set C? All the element x, where x is equals to 5 raised to n belongs to capital N, and n is less than or equals to 4. Right? So you will get this element. Understood, student? Okay, let me see next question. Here 2, 4, 6, so on. So I can denote it by D. So what is your set D if I want to write in the form of x? Yes. So you can write down it as a x is equals to 2n, where n belongs to capital N. And no limitation on n, because this set is going to be infinity. Okay, so D is equals to x, where x is equals to 2n and n belongs to capital N. Next one, 1, 4, 9, so on up to 100. So I hope, student, this question you will solve by yourself. Okay, find it. What is it? Okay, let me explain this question. So E is equals to x, where what is it? It is 1 square. Okay, this set can be written as a 1 square. So 1, 4, that is 2 square. 9, that is 3 square. So on 100, that is 10 square. So here which value is changing, students? Yes, its base 1, 2, 3 up to 100. So I should write down here x is equals to n square, where n belongs to n and n is less than or equals to capital N. So this is your set for E. Okay, so I hope now you understood how to write down the roster form into the set builder form. Okay, so here we have a 5 question of this question number 4. Now next is the question I am directly giving you. Okay, so now the question number 5 we are directly solving in a book. So here list all the elements of the following sets. So that means here the set is giving you in the set builder form and you have to write in the roster form. So x, where x is an odd natural number. So here the answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. So this question you can solve by yourself. X is an integer where minus 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. So find out the integer between minus half and 9 by 2. So this question is also given to you. Find out the answer. Third, x is an integer and x square is less than equals to 4. So I think this question I have to solve. Here you can see x square is less than or equals to 4. So here students, x square is less than or equals to 4. So if I find out, you have to find out the square, which number having a square less than 4. So if I take 0, 1 and 2, you know that maximum 2 square is equals to 4. अगर आप नेगेटिव भी ले रहे हो -2 तो वो भी क्या होगा 4. ओके, सो लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 4 मतलब कि हम 2 से आगे तो नहीं जा सकते. सो इन द बैक वी हैव टू गो अप टू 0, 0, 1 and 2. Because our question is x is an integer such that x square is less than or equals to 4. पर वो पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव वो नहीं गिवन है ना हमें. सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन ऑल द पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इंटीजर, दैट इज -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So these are the elements of this set. Okay students, so you can understood how to solve. Next question is D. X is a letter of the word loyal. So loyal word is there, then loyal में L repeat हो रहा है. So your answer will be L-O-Y-A, right? E. E is the set X such that X is a month of the year not having 31 days. You can solve it by yourself. 6. F, where F, that is said X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. मतलब तो K से आगे वाले जो भी इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट है, okay, कौन से कॉन्सोनेंट. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ऑल द कॉन्सोनेंट विच आर बिफोर K. So all the predecessors of the K you have to write down. So this is also given to you. You can write down. So here 5 and 6 you can solve by yourself. Now question number 6 is match the. Okay, so here the answer is there, but you have to solve by yourself. You can see which set will be following. Okay, so this is the question number 6. I am not giving the solution of the 6. It is given you the answer, but just to verify by yourself. Okay students, so we are stopped here. I hope you are understood the exercise 1.1. All the questions are there. You can solve by yourself. Few question, that is a question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 and 2 no need to write in your notebook, but from the 3 you have to solve all the question in your notebook. Okay students, so please write down all the things in your notebook with the notes. So today we are stop here. From next class we will start our next topic, that is the empty set and types of the sets. Okay, so today we stop here. Thank you and have a nice day.